Ever wondered why Formula One drivers pick the numbers they do? Well, in 2025, we have 3 exciting rookies on the grid: KeimyAntonelli, OliverBearman, and IsaacHajar. And each of them has a unique reason for their race number choice. Let's break it down. First up, we have KeimyAntonelli, Mercedes' rising star. He's chosen number 31. But why? Well, he used this number back in his karting days and won several races with it. There's something special about a number that brings good luck, and for Antonelli, 31 is exactly that. Plus, it hasn't been used since Esteban Ocon switched to 31 in 2016, making it a fresh return to the grid. Next, we have OliverBearman, Ferrari's young talent. He's going with number 87, and this one is personal. Bearman was born in 2005, but his lucky number has always been 87, inspired by his father's racing days. He has raced with it throughout his career, and now he's bringing it to Formula One. Finally, let's talk about IsaacHajar, Red Bull's newest rookie. He's chosen number 25, and his reason? It's simple. He's been racing with it since he was a kid. Many drivers stick to the number that has been with them since their early racing days. And for Hajar, 25 represents his journey from karting to the F1 grid. It's always fascinating to see how drivers connect with their race numbers. Some go with childhood favorites, others with lucky charms, and a few even choose to honor past legends. What do you think about these choices? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more F1 content.